And driving out here today on our way to go do another plowing video. We got this little farmhouse here with the driveway where we've been working and cleaning up this tree line. Better put her in four-wheel. Or am I okay? You know what, let's put her in four-wheel. I'm going, but deeper snow than it seems here. It's a laneway essentially up to where this trailer is. I gotta load up a log on there. So I gotta pull up to this van, get it boosted and out of here. Okay, and I gotta clean this driveway up until somewhere just in behind it here. It kind of does like a loop thing over here. And oh yeah, it's deep. Almost to the top of my boot, the snow here. It's a lot deeper than it seems. Wow, we got a lot in front of the house here to clean up. Holy smokes. So basically we got a driveway, it's a little porch that comes down there. I gotta clean up that. And then this area here, all kind of where that skid steer is along there, around the trailer, where my truck is, there to the van, and then obviously the laneway out. So I'm gonna fire up that skid steer, gonna fire up the excavator. I think my dad's coming here. We gotta clean up that trailer. Got a big piece of wood we gotta put on there and strap it down. Get that trailer and the wood out of here, and I'm gonna need the excavator to load that up. And the skid steer to get all the plowing going. Isn't it always more fun when everything's covered in snow? I should have brought my brush. Too lazy to walk back the few steps to the truck. Hey, there's me. Let her warm up a bit. There we go. Let's try her out. Come on, baby. She's alive! Let's see if she starts. Oh yeah, she's alive. Take off the auto to Excel so she'll warm up a little faster. She's going. How about that for a thumbnail? Huh? Huh? Right on. All right, well actually before I even get started with this guy, I'm gonna shovel off this and the stairs pretty quick because it's you know, probably the least favorite part. So we'll get that out of the way and then we'll hop in the machine and have some fun pushing snow around. While we sit here and watch me struggle to shovel all the snow, just want to take a minute to thank you all for watching. If you enjoy the content, make sure to please give us a like and subscribe. So we were doing work along the tree line, clearing up a bunch of branches and cutting down some dead trees and removing that. That's why we're makeshifting here with the skid steer with only a 6-foot bucket. But hey, it'll make do. All right, well, worst part's done. Start the driveway. Hey, I had another Bobcat friend. He started to kind of plow my driveway a little bit and then he took off. See him? There he goes, driving down the road. Bye. off-roading. Small gravel laneway towards that gate, but it's not really winter use, so it doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna clean it to here. It's just kind of like an extra parking space or two here that they'll get. Backing up. There we go. Pretty much there. That's not too bad. Trailer out, I gotta go load up that log, and then I gotta finish cleaning up this little spot where the trailer is. For those of you wondering, there's all like grass a couple feet off the stairs there along. That's why I'm not going too crazy up there. Like ramps up with some sod. So, all right, excavator time. This has been sitting here for a few days now, almost a week actually. Got the trailer hooked up. He's gonna pull up over there. I'm gonna go grab that log. Yeah, this thing's probably guesstimating around 18 feet long or so. Pretty nice long piece of wood that we can use here. Forget which side's the heavier side. I think it was actually this side was the heavier side. longer than I even thought. Might even be over 20 feet. I was guesstimating 18, but looking at it beside our trailer, I think our trailer's definitely over 20 feet, so. Phone call. Just trying to make sure that it lands nicely here. If it's inside the trailer, I was gonna say the trailer's over 20 feet, so this thing better not be longer than the trailer. It'd be so off. And I think I might not leave it the way it is here. Pull it this way a little bit. Down the middle. Yeah, wow, way bigger than I thought. Can't believe we thought we were gonna fit that in the back of the truck. I mean, I didn't think that. I got a cursory look at it. My dad was thinking maybe it can fit and stick out a few feet at the back, 4 or 5 feet at the back of the truck, but the truck's 12 feet. But yeah, so it took up almost pretty much the whole trailer. But I don't know if anybody that's watching this has ever made boards or has a sawmill or whatever at home. Any experience with that? Kind of excited to see how that works out and be able to make boards ourselves, as well the wood we cut down, especially throughout the winter. But yeah, if anyone does have experience with that, let me know. It'd be really nice to know, and shoot me some tips and how you go about cutting a big piece of wood like that, and where you start and what should I be looking for. There she goes. Yep, totally left my phone in here. Isn't that so fun? It's the fun thing about recording, is you're always getting phones and gadgets and cameras and accessories, gloves on and gloves off, and then you park machines and you leave your phone in them. Ay, ay. Okay, the amount of times I've had to go back to a site or something late at night because I forgot cameras or pieces of accessory there or something. All right, well, let's clean up this little area here where the trailer was, and we're all done. Alrighty, got her all done. Laneway cleared, everything gone, trailer gone, wood gone, machines parked, stairs, everything clean. If you guys enjoyed that, please remember to give us a like, subscribe if you're new around here, and also, what am I gonna say next? Well, the thing is, I don't know. It's really cold. It's been a bit of a nippy day today, lots of cold on my hands here, trying to get stuff done. What am I even saying right now? I can't make any sense of what I'm trying to say. All I really want to say is, guys, if you like this stuff, give it a like, tell your friends. Let's get the Dirty Deer community going. And yeah, any advice again on the wood, on how you'd sawmill that, if you guys have any experience with that. Or you can criticize my plowing skills. It's okay, I'm for it. Yeah, I appreciate the feedback. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.